How to change name on ticket on JetBlue. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your name on the ticket on JetBlue. Now does the JetBlue allow you to change your name? Now yes, mid-travel corrections are permitted per the misspelling and new legal name guidelines. In error, the name was corrected prior to the first leg of travel. Now, as I tell you, the JetBlue's name correction policy allows for any modification in order to match the customer's government-issued ID or passport, provided the date of birth and gender remain the same. Now, your date of birth and gender will be the same, and only you'll be able to change the name in order to match the government-verified ID or the password. Now, mid-travel name corrections will require rebooking the correct name in a new reservation. Now, how do you change it? You can simply head into JetBlue and you can head into the customer service. Now in my case, I'll just search in for customer service JetBlue here. You can simply search in for customer service JetBlue here, and once you do so here, you can see once you're searching for customer service JetBlue, you'll see the contact us option, give us a call option. You want to simply select it, and then depending on your reason, you want to call the customer service. And once you do so, what you want to do is they'll ask for everything needed, and the change should appear fairly quickly after you call if it's liable and if it's available. This way you can change your name on ticket on JetBlue. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.